Our Prophet ﷺ reminded us to follow up Ramadan with 6 of Shawwal. And by the way, even in this there is a philosophy. SubhanAllah, after fasting so many days, there's a big incentive. Don't give up fasting. Don't just say, khalas, end of story, month over. No, 6 days dangling in front of you. There's a reward there. Why? There's a philosophy here, there's an attitude here that worship never stops. Worship never stops. You've done 30, that's wajib. The Prophet ﷺ strongly encouraged, do 6 more. Bismillah, go for it. 6 more, and you will get the rewards of the full year. And this is the only month where we are encouraged to fast 6 days in this manner, the 6th of Shawwal. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever follows up the fasting of Ramadan with 6 fasts of Shawwal, it is as if he has fasted the whole year. And of course the reason for this, as we know, is that every good deed is rewarded 10 times. So the fast of Ramadan, the 1 month, will count as 10 months. And the fast of 6 days of Shawwal will count as 60 days, which is 2 months. So 10 months plus 2 months is the year. And so whoever follows up Ramadan with the 6th of Shawwal, it is as if he has fasted the whole year. And I encourage myself and all of you, not just the 6th of Shawwal, 3 months of every, 3 days of every month. The Prophet ﷺ strongly encouraged us, 3 days of every month, especially the 14th, 15th, 16th of the Islamic calendar. And for those who want more than this, Mondays and Thursdays of every week. This is of course the perfection. Even more than this is even possible. But we've done 30 days. Let's try to do 1 or 2 or 3 days every month. And for Shawwal, let's aim even higher, 6 days of Shawwal. And a fiqh point, brothers and sisters, if anybody has not finished Ramadan for a legitimate reason, suppose somebody fell sick, or the sisters had their monthly issue and they were not able to fast for a number of days, the strongest position, brothers and sisters, and this is common sense, they need to make up Ramadan before they fast the 6th of Shawwal. Therefore, suppose a sister has to make up 7 days, then in Shawwal she will have to fast 13 if she wishes to have the whole 7 plus 6. And that is because the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever fasts Ramadan and then finishes 6 of Shawwal. And the person who still has 7 fasts or 5 fasts or 3 fasts has not quite fasted Ramadan. And therefore, if we have some leftover fast, then we need to do a little bit extra because we didn't fast in Ramadan. So the person who didn't fast 7 days in Ramadan, they didn't fast Ramadan. They need to make it up in Shawwal if they want to do the 6th of Shawwal. If they want to be a bit more lax about this, then the Sharia is open. They can make it up anytime until the next Ramadan, but they will miss the beautiful rewards of the 6th fast of Shawwal. These are reminders to myself and all of you, brothers and sisters, and the most important of them is to conclude this month with tawbah and istighfar, and to realize that the race is not yet over. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us of those who continue to worship Him until yaqeen comes to us. Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Quran al-Azim.